Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to share a special box that I received from Brenda. She's Zavala 1354, I think it is. I always get her number wrong. On Instagram, you guys know that that's where I get all my craft supplies from. And she sent me a surprise box for Mother's Day, you guys. And it was super special and I definitely want to share it with you guys. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing she sent me was these little trims. And if the lighting is off, let me see something here. Because sometimes when I shut the light off, it's brighter. It's so weird. Actually, no. It's going to have to be like this. Sorry if it's yellow. But it's actually 9:30 at night. So I got this trim, which is like pom-pom trim in pink. This beautiful like peach leaf trim. Super cute. And then this one, which is like a tassel, a pink tassel one. She sent me some gold shred. I love gold shred. So I got this bag of shred here. She sent me this spritz tissue paper in like this like rosy pink, but not so bright. Dusty pink, like a dusty pink. She sent me a pack of Maggie Holmes flowers. I love these. You can never have too many of these. She sent me some stickers, which I was super excited to see because when Michael's had the sticker collection, not the sticker collection, the sticker sale, these were not at my store. So I missed out on these and now I have them and I'm super excited because I kept seeing everybody post these and I was just like so jelly because I didn't get them. And she sent them to me. She also sent me these two, which I don't have, from the backyard table collection. These are super cute. They're like enamel dots. And then these are like little shaker mason jars. She also sent me this Tim Holtz Alterations die. And it's to make rosettes, paper rosettes. And this is what it looks like. I always say these. She sent me this pack of thickers and I don't have this one, so I'm super excited to have it. I love thickers, you guys know that. She sent me this beautiful white trim. How pretty is that? She also sent me the crepe paper Hello Love wood veneers. I have a lot of this collection, but I don't have the wood veneers, and this is everything that you get. And then, let's see. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. She sent me the Sweet Summer Doodlebugs collection, and this is like the ephemera pack. That's everything you get. This is so cute. I cannot wait to play with this. She also sent me some doodle pops. And this is what they look like. I absolutely love these. I have so many. Thanks to her. And then she also sent me the sticker sheet. Isn't this adorable? I love the boombox. So cute. And then you guys, she sent me 3 paper pads, which I'm like obsessing over. Let me move this to the side so that I can show you guys. So I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me, and I have been wanting this because everybody's posting it, and she sent it to me, and I'm super excited. Let's do a quick flip through, even though I know you guys probably seen it already. Oh, I thought I took the... Let's take the little thing off. And it's double-sided, you guys. Look at that. How fun is this pad? It's like just... I'm sorry, you guys, but don't you hate it when it does that? They're like sticking together. It's so beautiful. And I'm so sorry about the lighting, but it's super light. Look at that unicorn. Look at those cut aparts, how beautiful. Can you guys see? So she sent me that one, and I'm sure you guys have seen this one a million times. It's the Maggie Holmes Shine. I have the digital to this. And then last but not least, she sent me confetti, which is one of my favorites of Maggie Holmes. I love confetti. So this was definitely exciting to see. And I'm sure you guys have seen it. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that Brenda sent me for Mother's Day, and I am so grateful. Thank you so much. If you're watching, I loved it. It was such a good gift and such a great surprise. Like when you don't expect something and you open it, it's like, what? And that's like what's been happening to me lately. I've been getting these packages from these amazing girls, and it's just been like this surprise. Like when you don't expect it, it's double shocking. And I am so grateful and appreciative of all the ladies who send me goodies and spoil me. I appreciate you guys so much. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell if you want to be notified for my next video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.